In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to your Phantom wallet safely, using the exact steps that prevent wrong network mistakes. Open Binance and go to Portfolio, tap SOL, then choose Withdraw. Now open Phantom, select Solana, tap Receive, and copy your Solana address. Make sure it's the official Solana token and you're not copying an address from a different chain. Back in Binance, paste the Phantom address and confirm the network is Solana, not BSC or any other option. If Binance doesn't auto-detect correctly, stop and recheck, because sending SOL on the wrong network can be hard or impossible to recover. Enter the amount. Sending a small test first is smart if it's your first time. Review the withdrawal fee and the final amount you'll receive, then confirm. Binance will ask for security checks like 2FA, then your withdrawal will show as processing until it confirms on-chain. Once it completes, refresh Phantom and you should see SOL arrive in your balance or recent activity. Subscribe for more simple, safe crypto transfer tutorials every week.